In this video, we are going to see how we can do a spelling or grammar check in Google Docs. So let's say that you want to just scrutinize your document in order to check all the spellings and make sure all the grammatical sentences are correct. So what you can do is just click on the Tools tab and click on the Spelling and Grammar. And from here, you can run a quick spelling and grammar check. Alternatively, you can also use the short key, which is Control, Alt and X. Click on this and will show you and recommend you some of the spelling mistakes that you can correct. Click on Accept the changes. Here it is recommending it again. Click on Accept, and the forest, accept, and there are no more suggestions to review and correct. Also, if you have a lot of suggestions, you can click on next or previous suggestions, whatever you want to add or decline to be corrected in Google Docs. And also, let me just undo this and run the spelling check again. Alternatively, what you can also do is, let's say that this particular word is a special word that is not added in dictionary, and you want to add this in dictionary so that it won't suggest it as a spelling error. What you can do is just click on the three dots and click on add to a personal dictionary, and you can add it like this so that it won't recommend to correct that spelling. And this is especially helpful if you have a company name, a brand name, or kind of a terminology that is not identified as a word. But that's how you can grammar and spell check the Google Doc document easily. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.